Just got some new spark plugs for my new project, also known as my dream car. So it's having a little bit of trouble starting and running, so let's just start with basics. Got some fresh fuel for it. We'll place these plugs, and the throttle's not returning properly either, but out here it seems to be okay. Got some Minox as well. I'll spray all the linkages and see if it frees up a bit. But let's change these plugs first. Okay. Spark plugs are done, so let's have a little recap. I noticed we had a bit of trouble with some of them. So we got one broken spark plug, two broken spark plugs, three broken spark plugs. And that's not including the original broken one and the one I had pulled out. So technically I had 5 plugs missing when I was trying to start it last time. So we'll shove a bit more clean fuel in it and we shall see if it starts now.